Hey y'all, how y'all doing today? I'm doing good. Thankful to see another day. I'm up here about to wash my bed linen, and I'm in the process of cleaning out, decluttering my bedroom. I was just gonna show y'all, but I'm gonna get distracted, and I'm trying to do this here so I can go put a load of laundry in. Which I'm gonna wash this here first because I'm gonna be putting this on my bed today. So yeah, we in here kind of like, we're gonna be in here cleaning and stuff. I didn't do much cleaning. I didn't do no cleaning with y'all on video yesterday, but I did a lot of organizing and cleaning yesterday that I needed to get done. So yeah. Hold up, man. So yeah. So that's what I'm gonna be doing. I gotta take curtains down. I'm gonna be switching out curtains. I'm trying to decide if I want to put blue and green and white on this side. That would be so pretty. The green is gonna be like this green that matches this. It's like a army green. Y'all, this green right here, I don't know what it is about this green here, but I'm loving it. I am loving it. So basically, only thing I'm gonna be doing in here really is changing my curtains and 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 changing my bedspread and stuff. That's all. Did this not come with? Where the pillowcases and stuff at though? What is this? Hold up. Is this just? It's supposed to be 3-piece. Okay. Let me see. Struggling. So yeah, that's how we're gonna be changing out because I ain't finna go buy nothing right now. But when I get a chance to, we're gonna go. I ain't gonna go buy much. I probably ain't gonna buy nothing, honestly. Yeah, probably ain't gonna buy nothing. Nothing. If anything, maybe like a rug or something. But nothing. I'm not gonna buy nothing. So yeah. I'm trying to decide on, oh, there they go, the pillowcases. Okay, so I'm going to wash this here first because I'm going to be putting this on the bed today. And then I got to get them curtains down so that I can wash my curtains because I think I'm going to do the bed. Let me go ahead and take these curtains down now. My bed, girl, oh, it's bothering me today. I think I did too much yesterday. But it be like that when you get to working them old muscles you ain't worked in a long time. So yeah. Child, this curtain right here through. I had a heap on them. I hope I still got some. I need to change out some blind. I need to change out a book. I got a lot I wanna do. Okay, so we just gonna take that curtain down. We're gonna wash that bedspread. I gotta get this curtain down over here. And I don't really feel like climbing the bed, so I'm gonna see if I can do it with the broom. But yeah. Okay. Got one side. Come on. Okay. Got the other side. You gotta learn how to improvise, child. Especially when you don't feel like climbing up stuff. That's a long hike, honey. Okay, so Yeah. I don't know if I'm gonna put just white and green or blue and green or I don't know how I'm gonna do it. Cause I really wanna, I'm over here, y'all. I'm over here trying to get these. Okay. I really wanna cutesy, you know. My house is nice, don't get me wrong, but I don't know if it's just me or I just kind of, I don't know what child, I don't know. I kind of feel like I want to change the colors a little bit. Yeah. So I got to get these curtains down too. I got those down yesterday. Get these on down. Whew. Yes. Get some things done. Feels good to get some things done. Or getting them started. They ain't done, but getting them started. But I'm about done over here in my closet. That's what I was working on yesterday. My closet. So I'm about done in here. I just got a basket of stuff that I got to do something with. Most of it is probably like trash and stuff. But I just got I just took everything and threw it in the basket that I needed to do something with. And yeah, but it's coming along in here though, y'all. It's coming along. So yeah, I'm liking how it's looking. Yeah, I'm liking how it's looking. It ain't through yet. I need to get me a chair to go to my little vanity or whatever. I gotta wipe my vanity down on the sides too. But this is what my closet looking like. So I got my shelf right here with my some of that stuff that's gonna be coming off because that's gonna be for my bathroom when I get ready to hang that curtain up. But this how I got this shelf. I did want the shelf empty, but it ain't, so it is what it is. And then yeah, got it like that. So then we got my shoes here. That's another area I got to do. I haven't done this yet, folded up this stuff. And then the clothes racks, all that's done. That's my shirts that I'm using to clean with, so never mind that. What's this? This one of them too? Nope, he's just throwing stuff across the rack. I be cleaning and he just be throwing dirty in at the same time. So that's the basket of stuff that I got to go through right there. Most of it gonna be trash. And then we got that cleaned. I finally cleaned off my makeup table and it's nice and clean. I want to get me a chair to go to it, but if I don't, it'll be alright. Gotta push those clothes back. That's my husband's stuff sticking out right there. And then I added his stuff to my dresser over here. Long time coming for that because I had my dresser to myself. So I know we're gonna be having it out if he don't keep it organized like I like it. So me and Bay stuff is together on the shelf on my dresser here. And so yeah, I had to get it from up there because it was too tall, and it was a good idea to put the stuff in that basket up there, but it's too tall and couldn't see it, and it started getting a mess, and I just couldn't stand it. So now I just got our ironing stuff up there, stuff to do with ironing up in that basket. But yeah, so I'm pulling my sheets and stuff and all that done. Then I organized cabinets and all that done. Let me show you what I did to my bathroom cabinet. I still got to clean up the bathroom. But, I organized the bathroom cabinet. And, child, I just did me one of these here on the counter. For if anybody that come over to my house and they may need something while they're in the bathroom, I did one of those up. And then just put a box of Kleenex back there. But let me show y'all my cabinet, how I organized my cabinet up here. Baby, when I tell you this cabinet was a disaster. Nothing was in baskets. Stuff was just thrown everywhere in here. And so I got in here yesterday and I organized this cabinet real good. So that's the cabinet. Yep, that's the cabinet. So yeah, that's what I'm getting into today. I'm finna go put this load in now. This blanket. So far I got 3 loads I need to do. 4 loads really. It's all bedding and curtains and stuff. And then we'll get to the, I think I had some oh yeah, I got some curtains over there too, I think. No, I washed them. So yeah. Yep, girl. So I'm about to put on some of this good old smelling washing powder and fabric softener and things in the blanket. That when we get ready to cover up on them lines tonight, baby. Cover up on tonight, baby. It's gonna be so fresh and so clean, 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 clean. So fresh and so clean, clean. Hold up. So yeah, last night my body is trying to get back on the weird sleeping schedule, but I'm trying not to let it. Trying not to let it, because yesterday I did not go to sleep. I did not go to sleep until that morning, yesterday morning. So I was like, man, heck no. I don't see my back hurting, child. The back is hurting. So yeah, what I was gonna say? Girl, I forgot what I was gonna say. I was gonna say something. Whew. But this bedding gonna be smelling good tonight. Oh, I was finna tell you about how my body trying to get on a weird sleeping pattern. And what is this? And I don't want it to. I didn't go to sleep till yesterday morning, right? Till yesterday morning, I stayed up all night long. So last night, my body was trying to stay up. And when I went to bed, I told my husband, if I turn the TV off, I'm gonna be knocked out. I knew I was gonna be knocked out. Child, before you know it, Babe had them roll to his side of the bed. I was laying on him. I was about to go. And by the time he rolled over and went to sleep, child, I was woke. I was woke, honey. I didn't go to sleep like I thought I was going to go. I don't even know if I even went to sleep, honestly, because I kept trying to force myself to go to sleep. I can't even tell you if I even went to sleep any at all last night or this morning. I don't know. My body I kind of feel like, I don't feel tired, but I do kind of feel like I did go to sleep. Then woke up to my back hurting. I'm like, man, shoot. I was hurting so bad. I'm like, I don't know how I'm finna get in here and clean up today. But I said, you know what, the devil is a lie, because I prayed and I asked the Lord for the strength to be able to do it and get things done and be productive today like I was yesterday. And I'm going to do just that. So, yeah. So I'm going to push my way on through and do what I need to do. I'm dusting and everything, y'all. Your girl is dusting and everything. So, yeah, that's what I'm in here doing. So that's what y'all gonna be looking at today. Me, probably hanging curtains back up and making my bed and stuff like that. You know, making it look fresh and new in here. Vacuum and sweeping, mop my floor and clean my bathroom. I'm doing everything I need to do in my room. I'm not leaving my room until I get it done. Because I like to bounce around the house and stuff when I be cleaning up. So, I'm not leaving my room until I get it done. But, I got to clean my bathroom. Then we're going to go back into the kitchen and finish doing the cabinets and stuff like that. So, hopefully, my body don't be hurting me by the time it's time to get back in the kitchen to do that. But yeah, that's what I'm doing today. And I gotta clean that basket out that I just showed y'all with all that stuff in it. Like I said, most of it is trash anyway, but I gotta clean that basket out. Fold these. I got quite a bit. Whatever I get done today, that's what I'm gonna get done. But I think what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna work on hanging up the curtains once all that come out. And the first thing I'm gonna do is clean that basket out. Then I'm gonna fold these clothes here. I might wait to fold them because I'm gonna be washing clothes tomorrow. So, oh, oh yeah, ooh, yeah. I'm gonna be washing clothes tomorrow. So while I'm wash clothes tomorrow, I could just fold all that and my laundry at the same time. That's what I like to do, especially when I know I need to fold clothes. I like to do everything at one time, honey. Kill, honey, two, three, four birds with one stone. Okay, so yeah, do that. Then I want to change these curtains here out. I think I want to. I think. I think I want to hang the. No, I was finna say I think I want to take these gray ones down and add white and gray to this side over here. That's what I think I'm gonna do. I don't even know if I even got. I don't even know what color. I got some light. There's two that I just. Oh, light blue. Yeah. I think I want to hang white and gray on this side. That's what I think I want to do for the time being. Just for the time being because I want to get them colorful ones down and I kind of like want my room to like just be cute and coordinate and blend and just let this divider be all white. That way it don't throw it off on this side with my green and blue and white. Yeah. So yeah. I'm gonna work it out. It's gonna come together. It's gonna come right on together. But it ain't gonna come together if I keep standing here holding y'all and talking to you and things and stuff and telling you about a plan that we ain't got started doing yet. So let's get started.